Hi everyone, I'm Miss Callie from the King Township Public Library, and today we're going to make our very own chalk paint. It's really easy to do and it makes our chalk drawings so much brighter and more colorful than regular chalk. If you guys have fun, I would love to see what you guys create. Share with us, I'd love to see it. But let's get started.
Okay, let's make some chalk paint. As you can see, I've already done a little bit, but I'm going to show you how I did it. So you're going to take some cornstarch, and you're going to do 1 tablespoon. If you got a bigger, I'm doing it in a muffin tin just so I can have my different colors. If you got a bigger muffin tin, you can always double this. I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Here we go. And 2 tablespoons of water. So there's 1 and 2. And I am going to do a little bit of food coloring. So as you can see, I already did some red and yellow. My red is a little bit pink, so I didn't use very much. Now I'm going to do a little bit of blue. You only need a couple drops, and then we're just going to mix that up. This is a great activity to do outside. You don't have to worry so much about making a mess. Be careful about mixing. You might get some colors going there, but it's a great way to talk about color mixing. So I've got my blue here, and now you can see that I put some blue in here, so it's kind of a little bit green now. And you're just going to take your paintbrush and you're going to draw. And it's really vibrant. It's quite a bit more vibrant than regular chalk, and it's a great way to draw on your driveway this summer. I hope you guys have fun. Share with us what you've created on your driveway. We would love to see it. And don't forget to check back for more videos this summer. Have a good day.